So I have been using this Smartish Gripzilla for my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this case is awesome, except for two major problems which I'll get into later in this video. But now let's talk what's good. So out of the box, this case feels amazing in hand. You might have noticed these grooves on the side of the case, and yes, it is for your fingers to sit, so that the whole package feels grippy and solid to hold. And speaking of grippy, this iPhone has these textured sides all around, which gives a nice and grippy feel, and I love it. Moreover, this grippy texture also extends to the back of the case. It feels more like sandstone finish, and having a grippy back really enhances the overall confidence while handling the iPhone one-handed. Now let's talk about the protection. This case is actually built to last. Smartish says that this case is designed to easily handle drops way beyond 6 feet and above, and it shows. I have dropped my iPhone with this case on multiple times, and it had no problem in handling those falls thanks to the shock absorbing air corners at the four corners of this case. And this protection also extends to the front of this case as well, in the form of these raised ridges all around, which definitely helps your iPhone screen from shattering into tiny little pieces. And the same emphasis to protection can also be seen around the camera module in the form of this raised ridge which surrounds the cameras. Now let's talk about the buttons on this case. I am so happy with how the buttons perform in this case. They are clicky and tactile and very responsive to press. But when it comes to camera control button, I am a bit disappointed. I wish they had introduced a button instead of a cutout. Nevertheless, the only good thing about this cutout is that it's not a punch hole cutout that you see with other manufacturers, but it has a subtle gradient to it. And as a result, you don't feel weird while placing your fingers on the cutout. Having said that, I wish they replace it with a button instead in the near future. I really don't want dust and debris gather around the ridge, and replacing it with a button will feel much more natural, more organic. Now let me just say, this case actually feels very bulky, especially the bottom part of this case, and that's because of these two air pockets. They jut out like tomatoes eyes on the side. It really destroys the whole vibe and ergonomics of this case. Due to these air pockets projecting to the side, holding the iPhone one-handed is such a pain. And forget about reaching the camera control button. You need to monkey around to press the camera control button. I wish there was a way to shave off these two tumors on the side. By the way, did I mention this case is MagSafe compatible? But on the flip side though, the magnets in this case is really weird. The magnets are not super strong, but at the same time they're not weak either. It's in between, which makes it so confusing. So should you really buy this case? The simple answer is, if you want a case which prioritizes protection over everything else and your budget is less than $30, then go for it. If not, then click on this video to find the best case for you, and I'll see you there.